Okay, today we are going to learn how to create an assignment. First thing first, turn editing on, and then choose whichever week that you want. For example, let's say here. Okay, you can have to click on Add an activity or resource. Click Assignment and click Add. Write down the name of your assignment. Let's say, okay, let's say that is the title of our assignment. Okay, so this will be the description of your assignment. So you can click display description. You can actually add pictures here, an image. You can either enter the URL of the picture. For example, if let's say you are interested with this picture, then you just right click and you copy image address and you just paste it here and the picture will show up. Or you can also browse your file. You can upload a file from your computer. Let's say pictures here, and you have this coronavirus. Click open, and you just put here corona and upload these files. Okay, and you can adjust the size. First of all, just put here description is not necessary, and if you think it's too big for your page, you can resize it. For example, let's say for 80 and 360. Okay, can put it, make sure to be in the middle, and click save image. So you can see that the image is displayed in the description. Okay, you can also upload additional files. Maybe for example you want to include some sort of captions from a newspaper, excerpts from newspaper. Then you can drop it here. You just drag and drop. Just click the arrow and just similar to the previous steps that we've done just now, that I've showed you just now. You can click upload a file and you can choose a file from your laptop and upload it into the system. You can also set the availability of your assignment, what time or what date that the students can start to submit their assignment. You have to click enable, and also the due date of the assignments. Okay, also always show description so that the students will be able to know how many days are left. Okay, submission types, this one is important. You can either ask your students to submit it in Word file or maybe PowerPoint file. So you have to click file submission. Okay, so you can the students can upload a file. If you want to allow them to upload two separate files, yes, but usually we'll just allow one file only. And this is the maximum size of the file. Apparently it's only 1 MB. Or you can also ask your students to respond by typing it by online text. So here, when they submit the assignment, there will be a box and they can straight away type or respond to the assignment online, and you can put a word limit here, maybe for example 250, like what you have stated in your assignment. So this one is only for the online text. So if you allow them to upload a file in Word, then probably you have to manually count the word. Okay, and last but not least, These are some of the additional settings that you can change. And group submission settings, this one I think you leave it to default, and then you click save and display. Okay, here is your assignment descriptions. Okay, this is your grading. You can see the number of participants, means the total students that you have, and how many have submitted and how many needs grading. So you can view their submission by clicking view all submissions. And if they have already submitted, then you can click on grade. For example, I'll show you how to grade. So when you click on grade, basically if the student have uploaded a file, then it will appear here in this box. Or if the students decided to write an online text, it will also appear here. So maybe you can go through the report, and if you have decided on the marks that you want to give to the students, you can just key in the marks here. The maximum marks will be 100 by default, and you can also include some feedback, comments on how to improve the report and whatnot. Okay, after you've keyed in the marks, you simply have to click on you can notify the students on the feedbacks and marks that you have given, or if you don't want to notify them, you just untick this option and you click save changes. Okay, so the changes to the grade and feedback were saved. One more thing, you can actually write something or give annotation to the assignment here. Maybe you can highlight some of the words. You can make a box. You can draw a line, and so on and so forth. You can put a comment here. So this is very useful features to have if you want to further comment on your students' work. Okay, so after you've done all the comments, okay, draft annotation saved, then you can go back, click save changes. Okay, then you want to go back to your assignment, leave. So this is your assignment, so you can click on it again. So here you can view all submission, and you can see that the grade has appeared in the on screen. So this is the one that you just graded. So basically that is how you create an assignment.